Chocolate chip blondies are just loaded with chocolate chips and they are delicious. Chocolate chip blondies are just like having a chewy chocolate chip cookie. You can have these made in under 30 minutes. Start with 1.5 cups of firmly packed brown sugar. I've got a 1/2 cup of butter that I melted. I place this in the oven while it's preheating. 2 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla. And you know I love vanilla, so I go a little bit heavier. We're just going to stir this until it's well mixed. These chocolate chip bars or blondies just couldn't be easier. Get rid of that clump of brown sugar. And now we're just going to add our dry ingredients. We're whisking together 1.5 cups of flour with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this until your flour disappears. And in with 1 cup of chocolate chips. Into our 13 by 9, which I've lined with parchment and greased. The best way to spread this batter is with a flexible spatula. Our chocolate chip blondies baked about 19 minutes. See, they get that real glossy sheen on top. Comes out clean. These are going to sit in the pan on a wire rack and completely cool. And they'll get sliced into bars.